Alright folks, we've spent one glorious month here in the Banda Islands. The monsoon season is fast approaching, so it's time to finally head home. Because of the impending mad, stormy weather, flying is not an option. Also, it's not safe to ride the 7-hour fast ferries, so I'm left with the Pelni cruise ships. The small one, which takes about 15 hours to Ambon, arrives today. Alright guys, this is my last stop, leaving Banda right now.
Selanjutnya, ABK Rek siap muka belakang, ABK Rek siap muka belakang. Kapal siap berangkat, kapal siap berangkat. Terima kasih.
Alright, that's the last call. I found a cabin. A lot of funny things happening on this Pelni cruise ship. I had to pay extra. This is owned by one of the staff, and he actually sold me the room, of course at a higher rate. Otherwise, the ticket is 110 all the way to Ambon, and this is another 500,000. Yeah, it's a 14-hour journey. See you in Ambon tomorrow morning. I hope you have enjoyed following the entire Banda Island series. Alright, so this is one last look at Banda Nera. Thank you for all the fond memories. The journey from here to Ambon is about 14 hours on this cruise ship, or 8 hours on the large Pelni cruise ship, or just 7 hours on a fast ferry boat, and only 45 minutes by plane. After giving some thought, I decided that I was not going to give in by purchasing the black market ticket for this staff cabin. So instead, I'll hang around the ship to sketch.
Pulau Ai. Pulau Run.
Yeah. First up, we're at the bridge of the Pelni. Yep. They let me in to sketch a panoramic view of this room. How cool is that? On another note, see how choppy the waves are getting? The price of the ticket of the boat actually comes with dinner. Let's go get something to digest. Seriously, I'm not expecting a lot from this. Terima kasih.
Sudah ambil makan? Dinner.
Okay, so piece of fish, some soup and vegetables and rice, and comes with a drink. "12 hours to go." So I found this cozy room, and I spent all night here. I'm not sure whether I was supposed to be here, but there was nobody. This is the restaurant. I think this is where people dine. Well, I'm gonna have a little snack right now. Nah, color's a little faded, but yeah. It's been 13 hours at sea. Got some sleep, not much, but some. And of course some sketches. I am conserving battery power. You know, for some reason I can't charge my batteries on this vessel. And I really don't know how long the actual journey will take to Ambon Airport from the Ambon Seaport. So you only see drips and drabs of sketching. Not a cup noodle kind of guy, but pot mee is such a popular snack here, I had to sketch it. (6:23). It's really nice to see land again after 14 and a half hours of sea travel. Everyone's out on deck for some fresh morning Ambon air. I decided to sketch a scene as there are so many people to capture on paper. Mey, she is the one that arranges my travels in Ambon. She got a taxi to pick me up at the seaport and dashed straight to the Patimura airport, some 45 minutes away. When I eventually got there, I still had some time and was able to squeeze in one more sketch of the departure waiting area. We'll leave her contact in the description box below if you are in this part of the world and need assistance. It's time for a quick dinner transit before another 80-minute flight to Singapore. Thank you all for tuning in. This is Alvin Mark. You're watching my art channel here on YouTube. Continue to stay well and safe. Until the next episode, guys. Ciao, ciao.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed at Jakarta International Airport, Soekarno-Hatta, Tangerang, Banten. Welcome to Jakarta. Please remain seated until we have reached our very final parking position, and the fasten seatbelt sign is off.